Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. All I'm going to do today is clean the Land Rover, but with the Karcher K7 Premium that I showed you earlier in a previous video, but with a snow foam attachment. Excuse the traffic noise. One of these. So I'll go ahead and show you how I do it. Maybe different to how you do it, but it works for me. What I normally do is just rinse the car over with plain water. Like so. I won't do the whole thing, you get the idea. And we'll put some snow foam in there. Here we go. I haven't tried the cheaper brands. That's the one I use. Karcher Ultra Foam Cleaner. Now the gun I'm using it in is an old one, the attachment. It works with the latest machine, because that's what I've got. So if you've got one of these attachments, older or even a newer one, you shouldn't have a problem. That's pretty much full, and that's pretty much empty. Now there's a adjustment knob on the side, min, max, and everywhere in between. I normally set it close to the maximum, to be honest, to give you the best effect. But yeah, we'll get the foam on the car, see what you think. Now on the Karcher I'm using, the K7, whilst you can alter the pressure on it, I leave it on the minimum setting. So we'll just see what that comes out like. Very badly, let's turn him up. That's better. Puts on a really good coat if you have it about 3/4 maximum on the foamer on the gun. Does use a bit more juice, I must admit, but the effect is very, very good. Right, that's as far as I go now. I usually leave that to set up for 5 minutes or so. Then I'll go over with a Meguiar's hand cloth like this. And that, really, really good. I can't impress upon you enough. This cleans my Land Rover very, very well. I often oil the hinges up here. And the hinges for the air vents. And normal shampoo would never fetch that off. I used to have to really go in with a solvent, but this fetches all that oil out, which I'm fairly impressed with. So all in all, that little foam attachment is very good. So normally I'd leave this a little bit longer, but it fetches all the grease and the mud and everything else off. It don't take years off the truck, unfortunately, but it makes it look a lot better. But yeah, give it 3, 4, 5 minutes to set up, then go over with a mechanical cloth, if you like this. I found using the pressure washer now doesn't really fetch the dirt off. The wheels are something a little bit different. If we can have a look at those. Don't clean them as often as I ought to do. We can try pressure washing them, see how well they come out, but I do have a different cleaning product for that. But we'll see how that comes out now, since I've got the new pressure washer. If the wheels don't come up well, then I'll need to go back and use a different product that I've got. But yeah, there's not a lot more I can say about the foaming gun. I'll put all the links in the description. For the one I have, it is a slightly older one. Let me just grab it to show you. You'll know if you look on the Karcher website, they look a little bit different to that. Let me just get you in the light. You'll see that better. There you go. This is an older one with a knob on the side. They got a knob on the top, and there's a different one again. So I'll see if I can get the model numbers and put all the links in the description. But this is an old one, but this bayonet connection fits the latest model of machine. There's a few people said it doesn't, but it fits beautifully on my machine. I've used about half a canister, which is about £3 worth of cleaning product. Again, I'll put the link in the description. Amazon got it for £7. These are about £15, the guns on their own. Well worth buying that if you've got a pressure washer. You can get alternatives. I've not tried them, but for the quality and the finish I get on the truck, I'm very happy. So I certainly recommend the Karcher to you. Anyhow, thanks for watching.